What is up? It's your boy Green here coming at y'all with another reaction video. We finna hop into episode number 3 of RWBY. And yeah, let's get it. She look upset.
So, Weiss, I was thinking after this, maybe
This
we could
dude.
go grab a bite to eat?
I don't know why you so focused on trying it with Weiss.
I've got
You're wasting your
tickets to that new
time.
Spruce Willis movie if you want to make the trip to Vale. I hear it's awesome.
Mm-mm-mm.
And then maybe after that we could study together? I mean, you're smart and I'm
And then
Bruh, this man was just going off and off on about a story.
Well, the stunning conclusion to the story will have to wait until next time.
Weiss, did you hear me?
No,
Nope.
no, yes.
Bruh.
One day.
Not one. I don't know why you so focused on Weiss when you got Bureau right there. Okay.
I thought that class would never end.
All right, guys, today's the day. The investigation begins.
I'm glad to see we're taking this so seriously.
Hey, we've got a plan.
I just realized everyone's outfits are
moderately
different now.
serious.
Right. Everyone remember their roles?
You and I will head to the CCT to check the Schnee records for any other dust robberies or inconsistencies. Seeing as I'm in the family, it shouldn't be a problem. The White Fang has regular faction meetings to hand out orders and recruit new members. If I can get in, I can hopefully find out what they're planning.
I have an old friend on the shady side of town that typically knows everything going on in Vale. Getting information out of him shouldn't be too hard.
Great. We'll meet up tonight near Yang to go over what we found. Let's do this.
Yeah.
Bruh.
Son,
Hey,
how did
you
you
can
get
use
up
some.
there?
It's easy. I do it all the time.
You do what?
Bruh,
I
you
do
shouldn't have
it all
said
the
that.
time. So, are we finally getting back at that Torchwick guy?
We are going to investigate the situation as a team.
Sorry, son. We don't want to get friends involved if we don't have to.
That's dumb. You should always get friends involved. That's why I brought Neptune.
Bruh, Neptune's there too. Bruh.
How did you even get up here?
I have my ways. Seriously though, can I come in? We're like really high up right now.
All right. I'll go with Weiss. Son, you can go with Blake. And Neptune, you can go with Yang since she doesn't have a partner. Everyone good?
Actually, Ruby, why don't you go with Yang? After all,
Bruh.
she is your sister.
But Weiss, who would go with you then?
Well, I guess Neptune could come with me.
Nah.
Yeah.
But
Oh my goodness. So like, Bureau likes John, John likes Weiss, and Weiss likes Neptune. This is
That was the
crazy.
first one, right?
Correct. Atlas developed the cross-continental transmit system to allow the four kingdoms to communicate with one another. It was their gift to the world after the Great War.
Ooh, look at me. My name is Weiss. I know facts. I'm rich.
Don't be
Bruh.
a pest. Besides, the only reason we're here is because you like the tower so much. We could have just as easily made a call from the library.
I know, but it's so cool. Oh, I'm gonna take a picture. Ah,
Bruh. How you do that with your phone?
you
Ah,
dropped
here
this.
come Penny.
Penny? Where have you been? We haven't seen you since the night at the docks. Sorry, I think you're confused.
Wait, does she not remember?
I've got to go,
What was that about?
I guess she don't remember or
don't
something.
but I'm going to find out. You go make your call. I'll meet up with you later.
Wait!
Penny, where have you been? It's been weeks. There seems to be a misunderstanding. What? Penny, is everything okay? Penny, please stop. Look, I don't know what's wrong, but you have to listen to me. Those guys we fought at the docks, we think they're up to something big, something bad. I need you to tell me what happened to you that night. Please, as a friend. It isn't safe to talk here.
Oh, so she being watched? Okay. You know, one thing I did notice is that a lot more of the background characters in this show now actually have like designs and appearances. They're not just black blobs anymore. So that's kind of nice.
Room, please.
Absolutely. Could you please place your scroll on the terminal to verify your identity? Perfect. Thank you, Miss Schnee.
Miss Schnee. She trying to put on a fake smile?
Welcome to the Beacon Cross Continental Transmit Center. How may I help you?
I need to make a call to Schnee Company World Headquarters in Atlas.
Absolutely. If you could head over to Terminal 3, I'll patch you through.
Thank you.
Hi, Mom. How are things back in Signal?
Thank you for calling the Atlas. Oh, Miss Schnee. Good afternoon. Would you like me to patch you through to your father? I think your sister Winter.
Oh, we're actually going to see our father?
No, thank you.
Oh.
I was actually wondering if you could find some files for me. I've compiled a short list.
I see. If you don't mind, what may I ask is this for?
School project.
There were some sensitive documents on this list, ma'am.
Well then, I'll be sure to treat them with care.
Right. Very well. The data's being transferred to your scroll now.
Wonderful. That
Wow, this
was
is
all
actually
then.
going way better than I thought it
You
would.
wouldn't like me to patch you through to your father before you go?
Yes, I'm sure.
Well then, have a nice day.
It actually went way better than I thought it was going to go. But I definitely see she does not want to talk to her dad.
I wish I could help you, Ruby, but I don't know anything about those men. Well, what happened to you that night? We were all together and then you just disappeared. Were you kidnapped? Oh, no, nothing like that. Well, then where did you go? I've never been to another kingdom before. My father asked me not to venture out too far, but you have to understand, my father loves me very much. He just worries a lot. Believe me, I know the feeling. But why not let us know you were okay? I was asked not to talk to you. Or Weiss, or Blake, or Yang. Anybody, really. Was your dad that upset? No, it wasn't my father.
What?
Security model of Remnant for several years. And they have done a fine job. Wouldn't you agree? Wouldn't you agree? But
This man got
the
mecha
Kingdom of
suits.
Atlas is a kingdom of innovation. And fine? Well, that's just not good enough, is it? Presenting the Atlesian Knight. 200.
I'm not feeling that.
Smarter, sleeker, and admittedly, a little less scary. These models will become active later.
How I
this
feel like
year,
those
and they
things
won't
gonna
take
go
long.
rogue or something.
The Atlesian military has always supported the idea of removing men from the dangers of the battlefield. However, there are still many situations that undoubtedly require a human touch.
Ruby?
So, our kingdom's greatest minds, in cooperation with the Schnee Dust Company, are proud to introduce the Atlesian Paladin.
Oh shit.
Now, we couldn't have them here for you today, but these mechanized battleships will be seen to
They're gonna have to fight that, aren't they?
in the year.
They're definitely gonna have to fight that.
Maybe we should go somewhere else.
Oh wait, they know her?
Penny?
Ah
Where
shit.
are you going?
Bruh. What is Penny into? They recognized her on sight.
She went this way.
This way!
God damn. I oftentimes forget how fast Ruby is. Yeah, I figured she was like a robot. I mean, we already figured that out. She was a robot in the last episode, or not last episode, season finale.
Did you see that?
Do you think she's okay?
Penny, come back!
Call the police?
So let me find out she's basically was created by that company and somehow, some way ran away or something. I don't know. Probably something like that.
Penny, please. What is going on? Why are you running? How did you do that?
I can't. Everything's fine. I don't want to talk about it.
Penny, if you can just tell me what's wrong, I can help you.
No. You wouldn't understand.
Let me try. You can trust me.
You're my friend, right? You promise you're my friend?
I promise.
Ruby, I'm not a real girl.
Yeah, I figured.
Oh.
Oh. That reaction was kind of funny. A slower episode, but hey, it still revealed some more stuff. Apparently this chick is confirmed now that Penny is not a real person and is a robot. And hopefully next episode we get some more backstory on her. But anyway, if y'all enjoyed the reaction, please feel free to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.